Hi guys, what's up? It's Regitze here. This look is my version of a dreamy, very pink, and sparkling fairy makeup. Are you ready? Then let's do some makeup magic. Eyes. First step, eyeshadow primer. I'm using the color intensifying eyeshadow base. Just pop on some all over your eyelids. Just like that. And make sure to blend it out. Next up, it's the fun part, eyeshadows. For that, I'm picking up the Be an Original eyeshadow palette. That's in the shade 05 Dare to Be Bold. Because for Halloween, you go bold or you go home. But you don't want to go home, so you have to go bold. First, I'll define my crease with this hot pink eyeshadow. And don't be afraid to put on a lot, go crazy with the colors. Just make sure to bring your shadow all the way out here. Next, I'll cut the crease with this Camouflage Plus matte concealer. So first what I do is I apply some product to the back of my hand. And now with a flat concealer brush, I'll pick up some product and I'll start cutting the crease. And just keep on going until you're satisfied with the way it looks. See the difference? Next is the Melted Chrome eyeshadow in shade 04, Steal the Look. This eyeshadow has liquid chrome effect and is highly pigmented. Just pack it on to the entire eyelid. Just like that. Just look at this. Do you see this? This is pigmented. Now it's time for some mint mousse from the My Must-Haves collection. So I just take it with my finger and pack it onto the melted chrome I used before. Do you see the difference? This will add a pastel fairy vibe to the whole look. This eyeshadow is so soft and easy to apply. I like it. Next step is eyeliner. I will create a pretty wing with this liquid ink eyeliner. This eyeliner is super good because of its high precision brush applicator. Did you see how easy this was? Precision is key. I really like how this turned out, so fingers crossed that I will do the other one just as well. And done. Matchy matchy. Now, let's get glittery. So go ahead and use whatever glitter you have at home to define the crease. And what this does is just to add a nice application from the pink to the silver. Now it's time for the last step for the eyes, the lower lash line. For this I will use the shade Raspberry Frosting and just blend it out on the lower lash line. Brows. Let's get the brows on fleek with some colorful, long-lasting eye pencils. I'm gonna start with the shade 28, Live in Pink. And I use this shade for the inner half of my eyebrows. Next, the shade 17, Tutu Turquoise. And I will use this for the other half of my brows. That's one brow done. Now we move on to the other one. And done. To finish up the brows, I'm using the transparent gel mascara. Fairies don't have basic brows, they have colorful brows. Obviously. Lashes. I'm using the Volume Stylist Lash Extension Mascara. This formula has strengthening fibers and it lasts up to 18 hours. Now I'll be popping on a pair of these fancy lashes. Let's be honest, false lashes, instant glam. Face. Now it's time for some fairy contouring with the Matte Touch blush in the shade 20 Bury Me Up. Apply directly to your cheekbones and just blend. Now pull it up to your temples. I'm going for this extra pink kind of look. Next, I apply the blush to my neck area. And now for some extra cuteness, I'll apply it to the tip of my nose. You know, it's Halloween. Go crazy and go pink. Next, go for the Glow Highlighter palette. This palette has 3 cool cosmic pastel shades that will give you the perfect icy holographic glow. I'll apply iridescent pink on my cheekbones, nose and cupid's bow. The minty green works perfectly under the brows and the inner corner of the eyes. You see the glow? This is Glow AF Lips. First, draw the line Instant Color Lip Liner in the shade 11 Cherry Sweet for perfectly defined lips. And now to finish the lips, Velvet Matte Lipstick in the shade 06 Unresistable. And by the way, this lipstick comes in 12 different shades. Final touches. Let's spice up the look with some artsy drawings and face jams. I'll just draw something on my right eye. Let's see how this turns out. And now, glitter. This is optional, but it will definitely add that fairy coolness. And now, Instant Matte Makeup Setting Spray. This spray instantly reduces shine, minimizes the pores, and sets the makeup. First, shake it. And then, just spray it. And voila! Done! At any Halloween party. Eyes on you. Guaranteed. So this is me as a glammed up fairy. Did you like it? If you did, hit like, subscribe, and switch on the notifications. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you the next time. Bye!